historic mandate, the Prime Minister bowing into the Jan Shakti there, and Jan Shakti that is coming in of this Paribartan from Chai Bhajpa Sarkar to Ho Gayi BJP Sarkar. And this is the very reality of Shubhendu Adhikari, who has now been sworn in officially now Chief Minister of West Bengal. We're looking at 5 others, Council of Ministers as well. They too have now been sworn in, and now this is the matter of change, the Paribartan, and the very idea and the dream, Pranesh, of Sonar Bangla, which is now to be realized.
Progressive thought process or plan strategical things in place, please at least create a provision to take the inputs. There are hundreds of people. I remember in 2011, I was working for a private company, and a delegation was sent to that time Industrial Minister of West Bengal, and he fully ignored that. He never bothered to take those inputs, and we know the result. I am sure this government is a government of people, a government of Sanatan Dharma, and when I say Sanatan Dharma, it is inculcate all the cultural aspect, the development aspect, the thought process, the purification, everything. Development from every aspect. And my humble request, the security of people, security of my brothers and sisters, security of my mothers, I would expect the leadership, at night 2 o'clock also, we can roam around very freely, and we can proud to be say we are Bengali. Jai Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you very much.
Thank you. That is the sense on the ground, and this comes through in all the interviews that we've done, people. These are ordinary people, some of them are BJP workers, but largely ordinary people who've come to attend the oath of the first BJP government, and they say that they feel that sense of security now and sense of relief. Going forward, like I have underlined, that it will be a tough ask for the BJP because of the promises they have done, and also because of the kind of, the state of things in the state currently, because of 15 years of the alleged misrule, as the BJP puts it, by Mamata Banerjee. I think sir here is not done. आपने इतना बोला और कुछ रह गया है?
আজ হ্যাঁ আরেকটা কথা আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে, 49 বছর পরে, আজ থেকে 49 বছর পরে আমরা পেয়েছিলাম কেন্দ্রে যে সরকার, রাজ্যে সেই সরকার। মনে রাখতে হবে আমাদের, কেন্দ্রে বিজেপি, রাজ্যে বিজেপি, দুটো শক্তি যদি এক হয় তাহলে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের উন্নতি অবধারিত, অনিবার্য, এই প্রত্যাশা করি। দুটো শক্তি এক হয়েছে, আমাদের সামনে সুবর্ণ সুযোগ এসেছে।
Okay, so he's talking about the double engine government of the BJP government at the center, the BJP government in the state, and people hope to see development in the state. Thank you for watching this broadcast. We're coming to you live from the streets of Kolkata, trying to gauge and capture the sentiment with video journalist Manoj Singh, Pranesh Kumar Roy for Times.
Absolutely, Pranesh, because you've been giving us the people there, the voices there, and what they have been actually talking about. This Paribartan is something that they have been looking forward to, and now that they have got it, we're looking at the sea of change is now something that they have now been seeking. Of course, when it comes to the pictures that came in from the brigade parade grounds a short while back, a rousing entry that we are looking at of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of course, him bowing before the Janta, accepting the mandate, thanking the people. And when it comes to Shubhendu Adhikari, who's now been sworn in as BJP's first West Bengal Chief Minister, the double engine ki sarkar is now a reality in West Bengal, and along with him 5 of the Council of Ministers there who have now been chosen to be as his cabinet ministers. So there we are now looking at, as far as the caste matrix is also concerned, Ashok Kirtania coming from the Matua community, we're looking at Shubhendu Adhikari coming from the Brahmin community, Kayas community, is Agnimitra Paul, Dilip Ghosh being the OBC, and Nisit Pramanik also now coming in from the Rajbangshi community. So that seems to have also been a factor that has been kept in mind as far as when it comes to the representation is concerned from the people of West Bengal. These are the 5 people for now. Of course, if there is any expansion, that remains to be seen, and we are also waiting as far as the distribution of the portfolios are concerned. All of these 5 ministers who now form the Council of Ministers there, they are the ones who will be now leading the state of West Bengal, and this is where the swearing in moment that that happened right in the middle. Shubhendu Adhikari, he was sworn in, and the oath that was administered by the governor R.N. Ravi. We're looking at others as well. As far as the Council of Ministers are also concerned, all 5 of them, they took their oath in Bengali, and Shubhendu Adhikari was also seen wearing saffron, and that saffron safa that was also given to him by Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and that is where the real test also lies when it comes to one of the biggest states in the country. Next year, 2027, is when UP also goes to polls. But along to that, we are looking at the sea of the support and the unity, the strength that is also being displayed on stage when it comes to not just the BJP leaders there. We are looking at union ministers, we are looking at NDA allies, we are looking at chief ministers there. So if you actually look at the map of India and you actually count the number of BJP governed states, and NDA allies are also concerned, they cross the figure of 20. Let's meanwhile get your live reactions coming in.
Stating that this era is going to be an era of growth, resurgence, and it will end all the corruption and the demons of 15 long years that Bengal has been facing. This is Rita Chatterjee with my camera person Arnab Shingora reporting from Kolkata for Times.
All right, we'll be getting you more of those updates there. But as far as the pictures that are now coming in, it is now official. Shubhendu Sarkar has now been formed. The swearing-in ceremony has now happened. Let's go back to live reactions.
What is your take on it? How happy is the moment? Can we hear 2 lines from you?
देखिए, आज श्रद्धेय दादा शुभेंदु अधिकारी मुख्यमंत्री बन गया ना, आज उसको शपथ का दिन है
जी।
लेकिन आज 25 से बैसाख भी है ना, रविंद्र जयंती
जी।
तब रविंद्र जयंती रविंद्रनाथर जो गाना है ना, शांतो गाना है,
हाँ
हाँ, ए मनिहार আমার নাহি সাজে, ये गाना बहुत शांत गाना, इसलिए बांग्ला को शांत करने के लिए जो उग्रपंथी आतंकवादी रोहिंग्या, ये जो सरकार था ममता बनर्जी का सरकार थी, वो ममता बनर्जी का सरकार उग्रवादी सरकार थी, रोहिंग्या को सरकार थी, इसलिए वो सरकार को ये बांग्लार जनता जनार्दन विसर्जन दे दिया। इसलिए हम एक गाना गाता है, बंगाली गाना,
जी।
বাংলায় পদ্ম ফুটেছে, বাংলা হেসে উঠেছে, বাংলায় পদ্ম ফুটেছে।
All right, on that musical note, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.